Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour de Bruxelles, en Belgique. J'espère que vous allez bien. Moi, j'ai mon café et vous, vous avez aussi un café? We're really happy to see you again and really happy to tell you that we are now more than 50 people reading those stories of Nicolas. What are we going to read today? 2 pages of the story, La Roulette. So Jeffrey brought to school une roulette. So they're going to play roulette. Well, Jeffrey has a really rich dad and he buys him everything he wants. And so that's why he brought to school a roulette. Okay, good. So the previous sentence, because we read already 2 pages. So the previous sentence was that Jeffrey would turn la roulette. And we do as usual. I read 2 pages. You try to understand and we analyze everything. And then I read it again, hoping that you understand a little bit more. Let's go. Et que les numéros qui sortiraient gagneraient. Et avec quoi on va jouer? J'ai demandé, puisqu'on n'a pas de fiches. Ben, a dit Geoffroy, on a tous des sous. Alors, on va jouer avec les sous. Tant pis. On fera comme si c'était des fiches. Celui qui gagne prend tous les sous des copains. Moi, a dit Alceste, qui mangeait sa 2e tartine de la récré, mes sous, j'en ai besoin pour acheter un petit pain au chocolat à la sortie. Ben justement, a dit Joachim, si tu gagnes les sous des copains, tu pourras acheter des tas de petits pains au chocolat. Ah oui, a dit Eudes. Alors, parce que le gros a choisi par hasard un numéro, il va se payer des petits pains au chocolat avec mes fiches. Jamais de la vie. C'est pas du jeu, ça. Et Alceste, qui n'aime pas qu'on l'appelle le gros, s'est drôlement fâché. Et il a dit qu'il allait gagner tout l'argent de Eudes, qu'il mangerait les petits pains devant lui, qu'il ne lui en donnerait pas et que ça le ferait bien rigoler. Non, mais sans blague. Bon, a dit Geoffroy, ceux qui ne veulent pas jouer, ils jouent pas. Et puis, voilà, on ne va pas passer la récré à discuter. Choisissez vos numéros. On s'est tous accroupis autour de la roulette. On a mis nos sous par terre et on a choisi nos numéros. Moi, j'ai pris le 12, Alceste le 6, Clotaire le 0, Joachim le 20, Mexan le 5, Eudes le 25, Geoffroy le 36 et Rufus n'a rien voulu prendre parce qu'il a dit qu'il n'allait pas perdre ses sous à cause d'une roulette truquée. Oh là là, ce qu'il m'énerve celui-là, a crié Geoffroy, puisque je te dis qu'elle n'est pas truquée. Prouve-le, a dit Rufus. Allez, quoi, a crié Alceste, on y va. Geoffroy a fait tourner la roulette et la petite bille blanche s'est arrêtée devant le numéro 24. Comment le 24 a dit Alceste, qui est devenu tout rouge. Ah, je vous avais bien dit qu'elle était truquée, a dit Rufus. Personne ne gagne. Si, monsieur, a dit Eudes, moi, je gagne. J'avais le numéro 25 et le 25, c'est le plus près du 24. Mais où est-ce que tu as joué à la roulette, toi a crié Geoffroy. Tu as joué le 25 et si le 25 ne sort pas, tu as perdu et puis c'est tout. J'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. Geoffroy a raison, a dit Alceste. Personne ne gagne et on recommence. Minute, a dit Geoffroy, minute. Quand? And the rest we will read next week. So now we're going to analyze. I'm going back to the page 62. We're going back. I forgot to tell you. Oh, well, here, I know, I have to show you a few pictures. These are the boys running around. It's a boys' school. And then here you can see that they are playing, well, have their roulette here. And the teacher or, well, the person in charge is not very happy. Let's go to page 62. And let's analyze from the beginning. So the previous page said that Jeffrey would make the roulette turn. So that's why we have la roulette. Et que le numéro, and that the number qui sortirait, that would come out, gagnerait, would win. You can see we have here two conditional tenses, sortirait, gagnerait. Now, I have to tell you that you can recognize future and conditional tense. So future is will, conditional tense is would. You can recognize them because you see the whole verb, the complete verb in this word. You see in sortirait, you see sortir, and then the ending ait. Gagnerait, you have the whole verb gagner, to win, and then the ending ait. Try to pay attention to that. Et avec quoi on va jouer? And with what we are going to play. Well, I have to tell you again, I've said it before, that on in French can mean one, can mean we, sometimes means they, but in this story, it's mostly we. So somebody asked, and with what are we going to play? Va comes from the verb aller, to go. We're going to play. J'ai demandé. I asked. So I, that must be Nicolas. J'ai demandé. I asked. And I say it again, even though I said it before, that in French you use the past perfect. I have asked, j'ai demandé, and not the simple past. Good. Puisqu'on n'a pas de fiche, puisque means since, but since in the sense of because we do not have chips to play with. So we see ne pas, and then you have a, that comes from the verb to have, avoir. So we don't have chips. Ben, a dit Geoffroy. Well, said Jeffrey, on a tous des sous. Des sous, it's a very common word for money. Normally, you can also say de l'argent. Argent means silver. But so des sous, it means money. And then tous, why do I pronounce the S at the end of tous, although very often you do not pronounce the last letter in French? It's because it's all the people, all the persons. So we all persons have money, des sous. Alors, on va jouer avec les sous. Alors means so, a word we use very often. So, we are going to play with the money. Tant pis. Tant pis means never mind. Tant pis. On fera comme si c'était des fiches. On fera, again this on, which should be we. Fera, it's the future tense of faire. We will do. Comme si, as if it were des fiches chips. So they're going to play with money and not with those plastic chips. Celui qui gagne, the one who wins, prend tous les sous des copains. Prend comes from prendre, takes all the money from the friends, from his friends. Now, I have to tell you that the word des, D-E-S, it's in fact very often the contraction of de les, of the. You cannot say in French de les. De les becomes automatically des. It's like de le doesn't exist, it becomes du. It's those, we have a few articles that are contracted with the preposition de and with the preposition a. Good. Moi, a dit Alceste. Me, said Alceste, qui mangeait sa deuxième tartine de la récré, who was eating, manger is to eat, who was eating, his second, deux is two, deuxième is second, his second sandwich of the break. Tartine, it's a sandwich, but it's a sandwich with something in between, so it's already a prepared sandwich. Tartine of the break. Mes sous, my money, j'en ai besoin. it really says, I have the need of it, which in English would be, I need it pour acheter, to buy, un petit pain au chocolat, a small bread with chocolate. Well, in English, you would say a chocolate roll. And you see this au, pain au chocolat. Au is the contraction of à le. So it's a little bread, a little roll with the chocolate. À le chocolat, with chocolate. A chocolate roll à la sortie, at the exit, when he's going out of school, à la sortie. Ben, justement, a dit Joachim. Well, that's the point. That's just it, said Joachim. Si tu gagnes les sous des copains, if you win, gagner is to win, and think of gain, if you win the money of your friends, of the friends, tu pourras acheter. You pourras is the future tense of pouvoir. You will be able, tu pourras acheter, you will be able to buy des tas de petits pains au chocolat. Des tas, un tas, it's like a whole load. You will be able to buy loads or lots of chocolate rolls, petit pain au chocolat, chocolate rolls. We see that petit pain has an S, petit has an S, pain has an S at the end, means it's the plural. Okay. So they try to convince Alceste, the one who's eating all the time, he wants money to buy his chocolate rolls. But they say, if you win the money, you can buy so many chocolate rolls. Ah oui, a dit Eudes. Ah yes, said Eudes. He's totally surprised and apparently doesn't agree. Alors, so, parce que le gros a choisi par hasard un numéro, parce que means because, and then le gros, that's not very nice, that means the fat one, the big one, a choisi, comes from the verb choisir, he chose, par hasard, by accident, a number, il va se payer des petits pains au chocolat avec mes fiches. Il va, he's going to pay to himself, se payer, des petits pains au chocolat, chocolate rolls, avec mes fiches, with my chips. Jamais de la vie, never in my life. C'est pas du jeu, ça. That is not a game, that. So Eudes doesn't agree. He says, no way, Alceste is going to buy chocolate rolls with my money, with my chips. Et Alceste, qui n'aime pas qu'on l'appelle le gros, who does not like, il n'aime pas, aime, is to like, he doesn't like, that one calls him the fat one, le gros, c'est drôlement fâché. The verb se fâcher means to get angry. So he really got angry, fâché, angry. Et il a dit, and he said, qu'il allait gagner tout l'argent de Eudes. That he was going to win tout l'argent, all the money of Eudes. Et qu'il mangerait les petits pains devant lui. And that he would eat, did you see it? Mangerait, we see the whole verb manger. And then we have the ending AIT, so it's a conditional, we translate it by would. He would eat les petits pains, the rolls, devant lui, in front of him, qu'il ne lui en donnerait pas, that he donnerait, again, conditional, would not give him any, et que ça le ferait bien rigoler. And that ferait, would make him well laugh. Non mais, sans blague, but joking or so. So, non mais sans blague, you can forget it. It's just a thing you say. Are you joking? But you can forget that for the moment. So, Alceste, not happy, he's called the big one, the fat one. And he says, well, I'm going to win. And with all the money, I'm going to buy chocolate rolls and I'm going to eat them in front of you. I'm not going to give you any and I will just laugh. That's what he just said and I hope you understood. Bon, a dit Geoffroy. Well, said Geoffrey. Ceux qui veulent pas jouer, those who don't want, veulent is coming from the verb vouloir, those who don't want to jouer, to play, ils jouent pas, they do not play. Et puis voilà, and that's it. I imagine you noticed that in those two parts of the sentence, so veulent pas jouer and the part ils jouent pas, they did not put in the ne. Normally, the negation in French is ne in front of the first verb and pas after the first verb. Sometimes, and especially in spoken language, you do not use the ne. So that's why here we only have the pas, but it should have been with ne. Ok, on ne va pas passer la récré à discuter. We are not going to passer, to pass, to spend la récré, the break, by discussing. Choisissez vos numéros. Choisissez, it's quite a complex form. It's the present tense of choisir, to choose. So choose your numbers. Okay, so they're going to play and we're going to the page 63. On s'est tous accroupis autour de la roulette. Donc, tous, we all, hein, on s'est tous, remember, I pronounce the S because it's all the people. We all, what did we do? Accroupi. It's we all crouched, hein, we were squatting around, autour de la roulette, around the roulette. On a mis nos sous par terre. So, on a mis is the past tense of the verb mettre, to put. So we put our money, nos sous, par terre, on the floor, on the ground. Et on a choisi nos numéros. And we chose our numbers. Moi, j'ai pris le 12. Me, I took. Pris is the past tense of prendre, to take. You find it all in the list of vocabulary. I noted everything down and you can find the link here underneath the video if you want the vocabulary, if you want to study. So I took 12, Alceste le 6, Alceste he took 6, Clotaire le 0, Clotaire 0, Joachim le 20, Joachim took 20, Mexan le 5, he took 5, Eudes 25, Eudes took 25, Geoffroy le 36, Geoffrey number 36, et Rufus n'a rien voulu prendre. And Rufus has not wanted, well, rien in fact means nothing. So in fact it says Rufus has voulu prendre, wanted to take nothing. In English, he didn't want to take anything. Parce qu'il a dit, because he said qu'il n'allait pas perdre ses sous. That he wasn't going, il n'allait pas, he was not going. Aller comes from the verb aller, to go. He was not going to perdre. Perdre is to lose ses sous, his money, à cause d'une roulette truquée. À cause de is because of. It's not because. Because is parce que, but because of is à cause de, because of a fixed roulette. Remember in the beginning, so last week, we had that part where the boys were discussing that they thought that maybe the roulette was fixed. Oh la la, oh la la. This is really French, isn't it? Oh my God, oh my God. C'est qu'il m'énerve, but he's really on my nerves. Celui-là, that one. A crié Geoffroy, screamed Geoffrey. Geoffrey is not happy. He says, my roulette is not fixed. Stop it. Puisque je te dis qu'elle n'est pas truquée. Because I tell you that it, but you see here, elle, because in French, roulette is feminine. So then we will say, she is not fixed. In English, we will say, it's not fixed. Prouve-le, a dit Rufus. Prove it, said Rufus. Allez quoi, a crié Alceste. Come on, said or screamed Alceste. On y va? We go? Let's go? And then you can answer. On y va. Let's go. Geoffroy a fait tourner la roulette. Jeffrey, he made turn the roulette. Et la petite bille blanche s'est arrêtée devant le numéro 24. And the small white ball s'est arrêté is to stop, stopped in front of the number 24. Comment le 24? A dit Alceste. How 24? C'est Alceste, qui est devenu tout rouge. Who had become, devenu comes from the verb devenir, had become all red in the face. Ah, je vous avais bien dit qu'elle était truquée. I to you, je vous avais dit. So I said to you. In fact, it says I had very well said. J'avais dit, I had said, that it was tricked, that it was fixed. I'm sorry, said Rufus. Personne ne gagne. Nobody wins. And that's a really funny word. Personne in French means nobody. If you say une personne, it's one person. If you say des personnes, it's multiple persons. But if you say personne, it means nobody. Funny, no? So nobody wins. Si, monsieur, a dit Eudes. Yes, sir, said Eudes. Moi, je gagne. Me, I'm winning. J'avais le numéro 25. I had the number 25. Et le 25, c'est le plus près du 24. And 25 is the most near 24. Well, it means it's the nearest to 24. Mais où est-ce que tu as joué à la roulette, toi? But where, où? And then this esque part, very often it's added to a question. You cannot really translate it. It's more like, is it? Where is it that you have played roulette? You, screamed Jeffrey. Tu as joué le 25. You played the 25, number 25. Et si le 25 ne sort pas, and if the 25 does not come out, ne sort pas, sort from the verb sortir, tu as perdu, you have lost. Perdu comes from the verb perdre. You have lost. Et puis c'est tout. And then that's all. J'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. I have the honor to greet you. You can forget that sentence. Yeah. That's a little bit ironic. OK. Geoffroy a raison, a dit Alceste. Jeffrey is right. Il a raison. He is right, said Alceste. Personne ne gagne. Nobody wins. Et on recommence. We like restart. We start all over again. Minute, a dit Geoffroy. Minute. Just a minute, said Jeffrey. Just a minute. Quand, when, and the rest we will hear next week. I'm going to read it again. Really try to listen carefully, and I hope you understand more this, the second time after we've done the total analysis. Let's go. Il ferait tourner la roulette et que le numéro qui sortirait gagnerait. Et avec quoi on va jouer? J'ai demandé, puisqu'on n'a pas de fiches. Ben, a dit Geoffroy, on a tous des sous. Alors, on va jouer avec les sous. Tant pis. On fera comme si c'était des fiches. Celui qui gagne prend tous les sous des copains. Moi, a dit Alceste, qui mangeait sa deuxième tartine de la récré, mes sous, j'en ai besoin pour acheter un petit pain au chocolat à la sortie. Ben, justement, a dit Joachim, si tu gagnes les sous des copains, tu pourras acheter des tas de petits pains au chocolat. Ah oui, a dit Eudes. Alors, parce que le gros a choisi par hasard un numéro, il va se payer des petits pains au chocolat avec mes fiches. Jamais de la vie. C'est pas du jeu, ça. Et Alceste, qui n'aime pas qu'on l'appelle le gros, s'est drôlement fâché. Et il a dit qu'il allait gagner tout l'argent d'Eudes et qu'il mangerait les petits pains devant lui, qu'il ne lui en donnerait pas et que ça le ferait bien rigoler. Non mais, sans blague. Bon, a dit Geoffroy, ceux qui ne veulent pas manger, oh pardon, ceux qui ne veulent pas jouer, ils jouent pas. Et puis voilà, on ne va pas passer la récré à discuter. Choisissez vos numéros. On s'est tous accroupis autour de la roulette. On a mis nos sous par terre et on a choisi nos numéros. Moi, j'ai pris le 12, Alceste le 6, Clotaire le 0, Joachim le 20, Mexan le 5, Eudes le 25, Geoffroy le 36 et Rufus n'a rien voulu prendre parce qu'il a dit qu'il n'allait pas perdre ses sous à cause d'une roulette truquée. Oh là là, ce qu'il m'énerve celui-là, a crié Geoffroy, puisque je te dis qu'elle n'est pas truquée. Prouve-le, a dit Rufus. Allez, quoi, a crié Alceste. On y va? Geoffroy a fait tourner la roulette et la petite bille blanche s'est arrêtée devant le numéro 24. Comment le 24? A dit Alceste, qui est devenu tout rouge. Ah, je vous avais bien dit qu'elle était truquée, a dit Rufus. Personne ne gagne. Si, monsieur, a dit Eudes, moi, je gagne. J'avais le numéro 25 et le 25, c'est le plus près du 24. Mais où est-ce que tu as joué à la roulette, toi? A crié Geoffroy. Tu as joué le 25 et si le 25 ne sort pas, tu as perdu et puis c'est tout. J'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. Geoffroy a raison, a dit Alceste. Personne ne gagne et on recommence. Minute, a dit Geoffroy, minute. Quand? And the rest we will read next week. I hope you will be there with me. Thanks a lot for today. Thank you for being there. I'm really happy there is like more than 50 people reading with me. Really makes me happy. I'm going to finish my coffee and then I'm going to start working. See you soon. Bye.